Hey everybody, this is Jay with the OrthoTech, and today we're going to be installing the sync function. Go over to your resources section and you're going to see a section called File Sync Stable. Click the download button. It's going to ask if you want to open or save it. Click Save and hit OK. I have it downloaded already, so we're going to go ahead and open it right now. Two files are going to be located inside of that zip file. What we need to do is drag those over to our desktop. So I'm going to select them and then just drag them over to the desktop. And let's close out of all this stuff. Now, the first one, these are the two files right here. Click Run Anyway. Hit Next, 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 and hit Close, and you're all set. What we can do at this point is just double click the icon for FTP box, and it's going to bring up some settings, and we're going to throw in our settings right now. Now you're going to get an email detailing all this information as soon as you sign up with us. So ftp.ortho-tech1.com is going to be the host name. The username, you have to follow it up with @ortho-tech1.com, and then your password would be provided to you as well. And we're going to hit Done. Just hit Done. And you just want to go over these settings real quick. Start on system startup. You need to make sure that that's checked. And you have some other settings depending upon your bandwidth, any bandwidth limitations that you'd like to set out. After you're done with those settings, just hit X. And now we can go over to our document section and take a look at this file. Here's where it is right here. Inside of this file called FTP box, everything that's on our servers, all of your digital study models, are going to appear in that folder right there. So what we're going to do, I want to make a shortcut to the desktop. So I'm going to right click this, and then we're going to go to Send to Desktop as a shortcut, and you can see it appear right there on the desktop right there. I'm then going to grab that icon file, ot.ico, and I'm going to drag that over to my Windows C drive right here. I'm just going to drag it, hit Continue, and let's go ahead and get out of this browser right here. And now for this right here, I'm going to rename it to OrthoTech Study Models. And go ahead and right click that and click on Properties. Click on Change Icon. And then click on Browse. And let's go over to the C drive and look for that icon that we dropped in there. And it's right there. Hit OK. And hit OK one more time. And there you go. You're all set. You can go ahead and delete this file as well as this file. And you're all set. Now when you want to see your study models, just double click that and you'll see everything right here. This is Jay from OrthoSync. Thanks for watching.